Hey everyone, it's Brandy with Living Light, and I'm going to show you my favorite dressing. So you can use it for dipping cucumber, broccoli, asparagus, or putting it over salads. So I love this recipe. Super easy. Rice wine vinegar or rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons. And I always usually double or triple the recipe because it's so good, and the flavors even become better when it's in the refrigerator sitting for a while. So normally I let this, but because of time, normally I let this marinate for a little bit, about 10 minutes, but I'm not going to do that today just in light of time. So we're going to put some green onion, usually 1 to 2, depending on what kind of flavor you want. And then we're going to add in sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. And that's Duffy. Say hi to Duffy. And 2 teaspoons of white miso paste, which you can find it in the fermented section or the yogurt section. So just stir around, stir with a whisker, and you are going to love this recipe. It is my favorite. And like I said, you could double it or triple it and put it in the refrigerator, and it is amazing.